to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Susan, and you're watching Elegant Family TV. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. And how are you guys doing? Hope you all are fine. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your comments, for your like, you know, for your encouragement. Your comments is what is encouraging me to do more. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the package I got from Amazon. Yeah, I'm an Amazon Prime. I've been Amazon Prime for about 3 to 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I've been Prime. So when you're an Amazon Prime, you get fast delivery, and there are some items you buy that you're supposed to pay for shipping, but you won't pay. And the thing I enjoy about the Prime is I can watch movies. You understand? I can watch lots of movies with Prime Video. But the music, I don't play the music. You know, I'm not a fan of music, but movies, is my thing. So that's one thing I like about the Prime. So here's so I'm still gonna open this. If it's not how I want it, I will still return it because I pay for it to get something nice. So if they don't give me what I want, I return it back to them. They return. Excuse me, guys. They refund me my money. Leave it. How will they sellotape this thing? So difficult to open. My goodness. Yeah, this one is nice. Wow.
So cool. Look,
Let's be even open it.
let me see. The droid from last week. Look at that. Look at it. That's it, guys. It's open. You don't do it.
Okay, this is locked. This is open. So here it is, guys. I like it. Here. Ouch.
Sorry.
This is how it is. Nice. Yeah, at least I like this one. So I've ordered two things. One pass, the other one no. So the one that doesn't pass, I'm returning it. At least I can make two bread at the same. So this is the other one. So yeah, like this. Okay, so let's start like this and make it here. For example. Okay. So I don't think this one means anything. So maybe you see. See what I have. So even if I fix it like this, I can't even use it. You see? So it's so nice. The one I bought before was 2 shots, really short. I think I'll show it in this video so you see it was really short, so I had to return it. Go ahead. So I can let's start it in new one. No? Use it wrongly. So like this. Super. 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 See guys, it's really nice. Okay? It's nice. So maybe I'll just take it one more back. I think it's too short. Let me just see. So it's perfect. See? I can be like this and you're making hair. It's so nice. So nice. So nice. So that is the end of the